Hey Matthew, this is Darryl at hudsonscustommachining.com. I don't have much voice right now, but I'm going to try to get through a quick little video to show you what I found with your motor. Unfortunately, I didn't want to have to take it all apart, but I had to get what I found out from in here. Look at the ladybug. There was a couple, 2 or 3 of them ladybugs in there too. I just wanted to show you. I got your bad one out. I had to drill a hole in it and in order to be able to get it out, but I got it out. And but the brush and the spring wouldn't come out. They just would not come out. I'm going to cut this video here. Stand by. Okay, continuing on. So once I got that old cap out of there, the spring and the brush just wouldn't come out. So I had to take all of this out in order to get it. And I'm going to show you why it wouldn't come out. Here's what was in there. If I can get in there with my fingernail to pull this out. In place of a brush, somebody had put a screw in there, and that's what's been riding against your commutator here. Now, I did clean this up best I can. It was really black and nasty, but I cleaned up your commutator pretty good. But that's what was making contact on one side of your commutator. Okay, I'm going to cut the video again. Okay, Matthew, I'm trying to keep these videos under about 50 seconds. That way I can text them to you and I won't have to post it to YouTube. So I'm going to send you 3 separate little short video clips. So what I plan to do now is put it all back together. I'm just going to have to make you a new set of brushes and springs and the new little brush cap screw there that was bad on yours. I think the insulators are okay. One of them's a little boogered up where it looks like somebody's been on it with a pair of pliers. You see it right there. But I'm going to put all this back together and I hope we can get it to run. So thanks for hanging in there with me while I've been sick with the COVID. I'm getting better, but just hadn't got my voice back yet. All right, take care. Hey Matthew, one last video here. I've got you all back together. I'm going to plug this in so you can see it run. There she goes. She's screaming. All right. So I went ahead and made you a new insulator piece right there. I just didn't like the way this old one right here was all boogered up, and I hated to put that back in there. So I made you another one. You never know what people put in these things. That was a screw, and somebody put it in from the inside because it wouldn't come out. You know, had to take it apart to get this out. So everything's all back together. Got you a new pair of brushes in there, and she's good to go, Matthew. I'm going to get it boxed up for you, okay? Take care, and thank you for your patience while I was down sick.